हेलो एवरीवन, प्रणव here. Welcome back to my channel. मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So welcome to day 26 of 28th day gratitude challenge from this amazing book The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So guys, today's day 26 is about magically transform mistakes into blessings. It starts with a quote. Turn your wounds into wisdom, written by Oprah Winfrey, media personality and businesswoman. Every single mistake is a blessing in disguise. Today's magical practice will prove it because you are about to discover that there are actually untold blessings hidden within every mistake. A child makes many mistakes while learning how to ride a bike or ride, and we don't give it a second thought because we know that through their mistakes they will learn and eventually master what they are trying to do. So why is it that others are so hard on themselves when they make a mistake? The same rule that applies to children also applies to you. We all make mistakes, and if we don't make them, we'd never learn anything, and we wouldn't grow any smarter or any wiser. We have the freedom to make our own choices, and that means we have the freedom to make mistakes. Mistakes can hurt, but if we don't learn from the mistakes we have made, the pain we have suffered from it has been for nothing. In fact, by the law of attraction, we will make the same mistake over and over again until the consequences hurt us so much that we finally learn from it. It's the very reason why mistakes hurt, so that we do learn from them and don't make them repeatedly. To learn from a mistake, we first have to own it, and this is where many people can become undone because they often blame someone else for their mistake. Let's consider the scenario of being pulled over by the police for speeding and being given a speeding ticket. Instead of taking responsibility for the fact that we were speeding, we blame the police because they were hiding in the bushes on the highway around a bend we couldn't see them. They had a radar gun, and so we didn't stand a chance. But the mistake was ours because we were the one who chose to speed. The problem with blaming other people for our mistake is that we will still suffer the pain and consequences of our mistake, but we didn't learn from it, and so bingo, we will attract making the same mistake again. You are human, you will make mistakes, and it's one of the most beautiful things about being human. But you must learn from your mistake, otherwise your life will have a lot of unnecessary pain. How do you learn from a mistake? Gratitude. No matter how bad something may seem, there are always many things to be grateful for. When you look for a many things as you can be grateful for in a mistake, you magically transform the mistake into blessings. Mistakes attract more mistakes, and blessings attract more blessings. Which would you prefer? Today, think about the mistake you've made in your life. It doesn't matter whether it was a big or small mistake, but choose one that still hurts when you think about it. Maybe you lost your temper with a person close to you and the relationship hasn't been the same since. Maybe you put blind faith in another person and got burned. Maybe you told a white lie to protect someone, and because of it you ended up in a difficult situation. You might have chosen the deeper opinion on something, and it all went wrong and ended up costing you a whole lot more. You might have thought you were making the right decision and about something, but it completely backfired on you. Once you have chosen a mistake to magically transform your blessings, look for the things to be grateful for. To help you, there are the two questions you can ask yourself. What did I learn from the mistake? And what are the good things that came out of the mistake? The most important thing to be grateful for about every mistake are the things you learn from it. And no matter what the mistake, there are always many good things that came out of it and altered your future for the better. Think this through very carefully and see if you can find the total 10 blessings to be grateful for. Every blessing you find the magical power. Write out your list in a gratitude journal or type them on a computer. Let's take the example of being caught speeding up a car and receiving a fine. Number 1, I am grateful for the police for wanting me to protect me from harming myself, because after all that was all they were trying to do. Number 2, I am grateful to the police because if I am honest with myself, I was thinking about the other things and I wasn't concentrating on the road. Number 3, I am grateful to the police because it was foolish to put myself at risk speeding with a tire that needed to be replaced. Number 4, I am grateful to the police for the wake-up call. Being pulled over did affect me, and it will make me watch my speed and drive more carefully in the future. I'm grateful to the police because somehow I had a wild idea that I could speed without getting caught and without putting myself in danger. The seriousness of the police made me face up to the fact that I was putting both myself and others in serious danger. Number 6. I am grateful to the police because if I think about my own family being put in danger by other speeding drivers, then I definitely want the police to stop speeding drivers. Number 7. I am really grateful to the police for the work they do in trying to ensure the safety of every person and family on the roads. Number 8. I am grateful to the police. They must see heartbreaking situations every day, and all they are trying to do is protect my life and my family's life. Number 9. I am grateful to the police for making sure that I arrived home safely and walked through the door to my family as I usually do. Number 10. I am grateful to the police because of all the possible consequences that could have stopped me from my speeding up. The police pulling me over was the least harmful consequence, and it could have been the biggest blessing of my life. I would strongly urge you to take any mistake you have made in your life that you still feel bad about, and in your own time, follow this magnificent and magical practice. Think about it. Through one mistake, you have the power to bring many blessings. What else guarantees dividends like that? Now guys, let's understand today's magical practice number 26. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Read your list, and at the end of each blessing say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2. Choose one mistake you made in your life. Number 3. Find the total of 10 blessings you are grateful for as a result of making that mistake and write them down. Number 4. To help you find blessings, you can ask yourself the question, what did I learn from the mistake, and what are the good things that came out of the mistake? Number 5. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Guys, these are the list of activities you need to perform today itself. So what I will recommend is find yourself a quiet empty space where nobody is going to disturb you. Sit with the notebook and the pen with the soothing music on. And if you're unable to find any soothing music, in my channel there are plenty of them. You can choose anyone, just listen to them and write your gratitude and feel them. Like it's like you express your feeling for something, which is going to change your life completely. So do it guys, and all the best for you, and I'll see you tomorrow again with tomorrow's day challenge. Till then, stay safe, wear mask, and make sure you wash your hands every single day and every single hour so that you are safe and your family is also safe.